everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy, and if you saw my last video, I did a huge 30 by 40 pearl pour with a translucent base, and I used the blow dryer on it, and I asked everybody if I should do another one, same color, same everything, but not use the blow dryer. And overwhelmingly people messaged me and said yes. So that's what we're going to do today. But you need to stick around because I have some very exciting news that we are releasing today in this video, and I will tell you little snippets throughout the video. So as I put down my translucent pearl base, I will make the biggest first announcement. This has been in the making for a while, and it is finally coming to fruition, and I could not be more thrilled. I say we because it's me and two other well-known artists are holding a retreat, a workshop, 3-day workshop here in my hometown of Wilmington, North Carolina. And it is going to be called Pour Decisions. It's going to be different than anything hopefully you've done before. It's going to be fun. It's going to be relaxing. We've got fun activities planned. One of the coolest parts is it's 3 days, 3 artists, 1 price, and you get all 3 of us all 3 days. So again, I want to give away little bits and snippets throughout this video. So, and I hope so bad you guys can hear me. I got a new camera and charged my microphone, went to plug it in, and it doesn't fit into the little socket. So I'm yelling at y'all, not on purpose, but yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. So as you can see, I painted my background like I did in the first one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll list it in the description. And after you've watched this one, I hope you will go and watch that one, because I have 14 different beautiful colors, and they're all listed in that video because most of them are custom made colors. And I really do hope you guys can hear me because y'all are way up at my ceiling. I am way over on the other side of my table because, again, this is a big 30 by 40 canvas, and she's not easy to tilt. Hence why the last one I did, I used a blow dryer a little bit. So like I said, we're gonna try to do the same thing as before, but not use the blow dryer. Whew, that's a workout, I tell you. I've gotten a little lazy over the winter though, and my muscles aren't what they once were. So anywho, again, everything that I'm telling you about our event will be listed down in the description. The website for it is down there. Everything you need to know. But the artists that are going to be joining me are, drum roll please, Sarah Mack. Yep, Mack is back. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Sarah is going to be teaching her infamous Galaxy pour. And if you have seen her recent, her dustpan pour with her moon series, She has a special name for it, and right now it's lost my brain, but it's all on the website, which is in the description. And then you ready for the next one? Mr. Nate Bright. So excited. Nate is coming to my hometown, and the three of us, have put this together. We have a massive venue for this that is going to be perfect. It's going to be held in beautiful riverfront downtown Wilmington, North Carolina. Like I said, we have got fun activities scheduled, like activities outside of pouring paint and learning techniques. And Mr. Nate Bright is going to be teaching his botanical technique, and he is going to help all of you that sign up perfect blow dryer techniques, how they work, what's the consistency your paint should be, all kinds of tricks and trades of perfecting that blow dryer. That class I'm excited about because I still struggle with a blow dryer and Dutch pours. So he's going to be going over all of that. I am going to be teaching this, the pearl pour, and polar opposite ends of the spectrum, bloom swipes. So come get your pearls and your blooms on with me. And like I said, it's one price, 3 artists, 3 days, and lots of fun activities. And again, all of the information, all the details, everything is in the website. But I really, really hope you guys will join us. I'm very proud of my hometown. I've lived here my entire life, and it's one of the most beautiful cities, I think. And other than the beach, which is only a 5-7 mile jaunt from where we're going to be, our riverfront is gorgeous, and that's where the event is going to be held, is down on the riverfront. We have hotel accommodations. Like I said, all this information is on the website. I'm just hoping to get you guys as excited as we are. Can y'all believe Mac is back? My buddy. She is going to be coming teaching, like I said, her famous Galaxy Pour. It's the very first class I ever took. Gosh, what, 4 or 5 years ago now, I guess? So it kind of hold it special, near and dear to my heart a little bit. All right, so we got all those. I think I ended up doing 13 colors this time. I left one out just kind of on purpose. But again, all my colors are listed on that last video. I'm gonna pop some bubbles. Oh, she big. She is big. I'm just gonna do a couple little swirls. Not that it does a whole lot because this paint is so thin. It runs quick. So, all right, let's see if I can tilt this big girl out. Okay, here we go.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our roots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. As my voice cracks, here she is. I'll let her sit for a little while. As we know, pearl pores still develop for about 30-40 minutes. But look at those humongous pearls I got again. And from the last video, I'll remind you, all of this like milky white areas, that will dry clear and you'll see that background that I painted come through. But look at these gorgeous, come on, focus. And then look right here. Look at that, how they're outlined in that gold, and it just sparkles and shines and glows. So, so pretty. The colors are definitely much more vibrant in this one with not using the hairdryer. I did still have a lot of paint. Look at these. Look how huge those are. And all of that is just sparkle. I did still have a lot of paint on here, but instead of using the blow dryer this time, I used the little pipette and just pulled some of the paint out. But I think it's very pretty. I will try very, very hard to at least put in a still shot of a dry result if this dries in time. So, but again, there she is, on second 30 by 40. I'm gonna go little next time. My arms and back need a break. But I hope you guys, again, are so excited about the Poor Decision Retreat here in Wilmington, North Carolina. I don't even think I've given the date yet in this, but again, everything's on the website, so I hope you'll check it out. But the dates are May 12th through the 14th, 2026. Again, here in Wilmington, North Carolina, and our beautiful riverfront. Sarah Mack, Nate Bright, and myself are so over the moon excited. Hope you'll join us. We already have people signed up, so spots are limited. Like I said, one price, 3 artists, 3 days, lots of fun, lots of learning, and some extracurricular activities as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Even if you don't have a question, leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you like the first one with the blow dryer or this one better? And if you don't feel like leaving a comment, at least give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a dime, and it really helps me, and it helps to continue with my art journey and bringing you videos. So, but I hope you take care. Website's down below. Please check it out and come join us. Come have some fun with us and come make some poor decisions. Until next time, bye friends.